The clutch cannot be modulated properly. This occurs primarily while maneuvering and is annoying. The clutch is either disengaging too early, too late, or not at all, or it is sticking. This may be caused by excessive resistance in the clutch booster. In such cases, however, do not replace the booster straight away. A repair should first be carried out using the new repair kit. Detach the position sensor. The clutch booster can later be clamped in a vise. Remove the cover plate on the controller unit. Remove the springs and the piston. The controller unit underneath is stuck and cannot be removed. In order to remove the controller unit, the clutch booster must be clamped in a vise. To protect the clutch booster, always use aluminum or plastic jaw liners. Loosen and remove the connection fitting, fit the cover plate, and screw in the bolts approximately 4 turns. This gives the controller unit something to hold onto in the next step. A short burst of compressed air with the air gun loosens the stuck parts inside so that they can be easily removed in the next step. Before the individual parts from the repair kit are installed, all the moving parts, boots, and rubber seals must be greased with the ELK 112 synthetic grease supplied. This is essential to ensure that the clutch can operate cleanly and without problems. Important, follow the installation instructions in the repair kit to install the parts correctly. This shows all the parts contained in the kit and how they are installed together with those of the clutch booster. All the parts from the repair kit are later installed here in the valve housing. Open the bayonet catch on the vent. Aids angled circlip pliers. Next, the clutch booster is reassembled and reinstalled. Don't forget the new ridged housing gasket. Now install the fully assembled valve housing, and that was it. The results of the test drive are positive. The clutch is working properly again, without having to replace the clutch booster.